All right, these people are turning their garage into a separate apartment, so we had to tag onto that 4-inch main under the driveway. Just had to slap a 4-inch Y on its back and then had to run the PVC over to the apartment about 30 feet. I didn't really come into it with a plan. I just did that Y and pointed it over towards the house and prayed when I got there it was going to work out. We had already drilled 2 holes in the concrete, and I didn't do any math or anything, just did them kind of low and hope it worked out. And then ended up working out perfectly. It was a long sweep and a street 90. Got me to the perfect height. Get that in the house, and the first thing we put on is a Dandy for air test. Now we're off to the races. We can do the bathroom, a kitchen, and a stack upstairs next time.